Switch the Mug screen to the Wi-Fi icon and long press it to enter the connection mode. The icon may vary depending on firmware version and connection status. When the screen displays an animation indicating it is ready to connect, in the Application's Profile menu, click the Adhesive button to start. It will automatically search for nearby mugs. Confirm the connection and enter the Wi-Fi selection page. Select your Wi-Fi from the list and enter the password. After a short wait, the connection is complete. If you fail to get the Wi-Fi list, don't worry, just enter the Wi-Fi name and password manually. Please note that only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi is supported.